Adding WMS Service. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add WMS Service. We can add the WMS Service by clicking the Add WMS button from the Add Map Service menu in the left menu, or from the Map Services menu in the Quick menu at the bottom of the screen. When you click the Add WMS Service button, the URL address of the WMS service is entered on the Add Service page in the panel that appears, and the search button is clicked. The layers in the service are listed just below. After selecting the layer to be added to the map, layer name, format name, and transparency value of the layer are entered in the layer box. With the Save button, the WMS service is added to the map as a layer. Added WMS layers are also saved and listed on the history page. Layers that have been added in the past can be deleted or reloaded to the map as a layer by activating the button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.